In this video, I want to talk about the person who initiated measurement of CO2 concentration. And the title of this video is Who Initiated Measuring Atmospheric CO2 Concentration? The high accuracy measurements of atmospheric CO2 concentration initiated by Charles David Keeling in 1958 considered the master time series documenting the changing composition of the atmosphere. The data have iconic status in climate change science as evidence of the effect of human activities on the chemical composition of the global atmosphere. So basically, he related the concentration of atmospheric CO2 from natural causes and from human-made causes, which is called anthropogenic effect. So basically, he tried to separate the causes from natural resources and also from human-made activities. So Keeling's measurements on Mauna Loa in Hawaii provide a true measure of the global carbon cycle and effectively continuous record of the burning fuel. So Keeling was the first who alerted the world to the possibility of anthropogenic contribution to the greenhouse effect and global warming. So in other videos, I will explain what are greenhouse gases, what is greenhouse effect, and what is the global warming.